Hi, it's Dr. Sassy. Today I want to talk about a simple but super helpful tool called a bladder diary. Think of it like a notebook where you write down when you pee, how much you drank, any leaks you had, and what kind of drinks you had. It might sound a little boring, but this small notebook gives big clues. It helps us doctors and you see patterns in how your bladder is working. Are you peeing too often? Are you leaking when you laugh or sneeze? A bladder diary tells us the truth, even when your memory can get fuzzy. To make the most of it, you'll fill out a diary for at least 3 days, writing in the time you drink, how much you drink, when you pee, and if any accidents happen. If there's a strong urge, write it too, and what you were doing when it happened. Maybe coffee or soda makes your urges worse. That's important to know. We use this info to decide what's next. Maybe changing what you drink is enough, or maybe surgery would help more than pills. This little diary is one of the smartest steps you can take. It helps us help you feel better with fewer leaks and fewer trips to the bathroom.